To create an account in Coingecko, click the sign up button on the upper right corner. And to sign up, you can connect it to Google or to Apple, or you can sign up manually, but in this case, I'm going to connect it to my Google account. And select a Google account of yours. And that's it. Now to finish setting up your account, just answer these questions and you'll be good to go. And that's how you create an account in Coingecko. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.